The closet in this demonstration contains 2 bifold doors. We will be focusing on just one door for this instructional video. The door's panels will be described as the left panel and the right panel. Using the included alcohol pads, wipe the installation areas at your desired height for parts A and B. Peel the red tape film from part A. Align part A with the edge of the left panel. Press firmly for 20 seconds to help the tape stick. Slide the installation guide over the face of part A. Notice that the rectangular shape side of the installation guide is on top, and the triangular shape is at the bottom. Peel the red tape film from part B. Without letting the sticky tape touch the door, center the opening of part B over the latch on part A. Bring the 2 parts together so they are side by side. Once they are side by side, press part B up against the top of the installation guide, and then press part B against the door. Press firmly for 20 seconds to help the tape stick. Now that both parts A and B are installed, remove the installation guide by pulling it forward. It is important to note that the tape will not reach its full strength until 24 hours after installation.